In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone read your email in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and scroll down to select Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Email Tracker by Mailtrack and press Enter. Click on Email Tracker by Mailtrack from the results. Click the Add to Chrome button. In the confirmation pop-up, click Add Extension. After installation, click Connect with Google and choose your Gmail account. Click Allow to grant the required permissions. Select the Sign Up Free option to continue. Once installation is complete, click Go to Gmail. Click the Compose button in the top left corner and verify that the double check mark icon appears at the bottom of the message window. This indicates tracking is active. Click the Mailtrack icon inside the Compose window to customize your tracking preferences. You can enable notifications or track multiple opens based on your preference. Enter the recipient's email address, add your subject and message, then click Send. To check if your email was opened, click the Sent folder in the left sidebar. Locate your sent email and look for the check mark icons next to it. One green check mark means the email was successfully sent. Two green check marks mean the recipient has opened and read the email. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.